Hey, in this video, I want to share with you the 5-step process that you can follow to create your very first lead magnet that you can use to build a list of subscribers. And this won't take you weeks to create. By the end of this video, and by following the steps I'm about to reveal to you, you'll have a high converting lead magnet that you can use on social media or on your blog or website. So stay tuned and watch this video. Building a list of subscribers, or even just one subscriber, isn't at all easy, especially if you're just starting out. The whole point of having a lead magnet is so that you can build a list of subscribers that you can follow up on, send your new blog posts or any new updates, and eventually make that sale. But the hardest thing about creating a lead magnet is what type of lead magnet should you be giving out that'll generate subscribers. So in this video, I want to share with you the 5 simple steps that you can take to create your first lead magnet. But first, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, so that you can be the first to know of any new online business training that I share on this channel. And at any time during the video, click that like button if you found any of the content helpful. All right, so the first step to creating your lead magnet is to make sure that you research a topic that is in demand and hot. A simple research tool that you can use is BuzzSumo. BuzzSumo allows you to enter a search term and see what types of content out there are getting shared on social media. For instance, if you're in the lawn care business and you want to create a lead magnet around how to, let's say, keep your lawn green or how to get the perfect lawn, then search on BuzzSumo for something like perfect lawn. And then you'll see a list of different types of topics and titles that people have already shared on their blog or website that are getting shared a lot on social media. Another way to research to see what's hot is to simply look around the web. On social media, what are people talking about in Facebook groups, the Facebook groups that you're in and the communities that you're in? What are people talking about on forums? Usually you can filter and browse the different types of categories and threads based around what's popular. And that should give you a good indication as to what topic to come up with. All right, the second thing you need to do once you've found a topic that has proven to be shared on social media and get high engagement is to basically come up with a engaging title that will get and turn visitors into subscribers. I can't stress this enough, but the title of your lead magnet is so important. It's like a headline for your sales page. To make it easy for you, here are 3 title formats that you can follow, and so you don't have to come up with something from scratch. The first type of title format is the how-to or step-by-step approach. One of the best-selling productivity, business / personal development books is called How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you follow that title, that book title, it's already been proven. People are captivated by that. And usually when I go to a bookstore, I always look at the cover first. If it's not something that gets my attention within the first few seconds, then I look somewhere else or look at another book. So here's an example: how to run an internet business in just 30 minutes a day. Another example is how to maintain the perfect lawn using these 3 secret tips. What you want to do is just brainstorm as many titles as you can. So don't think too much about it. Don't analyze it too much. Just brainstorm and basically do a brain dump onto a piece of paper or on your favorite note-taking tool online. And once you finish this step, then we can go through the steps into filtering the good and bad. All right, the second format is numbered or lists type of lead magnets. The reason why lists work so well is because it's very digestible. People don't need to read like a 100-page book to get the gist of it. All you're providing is a list of tips, techniques, methods, whatever that may be. So here are a few examples. 5 things you should know before you buy the latest MacBook Pro, or 7 ways to get more done in your business. All right, so the third type of format for your lead magnet title are things like checklists, templates, and a list of resources. These are really easy to compile because all you're doing is just putting the exact steps to take to accomplish a certain goal. Or if you have a list of favorite tools or resources and sites and blogs, then you just compile it into this one piece of PDF. Now, here are some examples. I'll read this off my screen because I've actually come up with some examples. 10-step checklist to running your first Facebook ad. And how about this? 30 productivity tools for busy entrepreneurs. And here's another one, 3 resume templates that get your dream job. So these are very simple, basic things that you can put together very quickly and easily into, and usually these types of lead magnets fit into 1 to 3 pages. Now, if you've done it right and brainstorm a list of titles, you would have ended up with several dozen potential titles. Now, what you do with all these titles, you could filter it out yourself and see which one's more engaging, or perhaps you can get another person to look over and see which one is engaging as opposed to another, or you can ask your audience which one is more engaging. These are just basic things that you can do to sort of filter out and narrow down exactly which title to go with for your lead magnet. All right, so far you've researched the topic, you've come up with a title. The next thing you're going to want to decide is what format is your lead magnet going to be. There are 3 basic lead magnet formats that you can use. The first is a PDF document where basically your subscribers can download and view it on their desktop computer or any other device. The second is a video format. Is your content or lead magnet going to be in a video format? And thirdly, you can also provide your lead magnet as an email course. It could be a 5-day email course or a 7-day email course. This is what you need to decide. The easiest and fastest way is to just provide a PDF version. Right? The 4th step is to basically just create your lead magnet. Once you've decided on the format of your lead magnet, it's time to create your lead magnet. Now, if the sound of writing turns you off and your writing's not your forte, then what you can easily do is grab your mobile phone, and usually you've got some sort of audio recorder tool or app, or download one from the App Store, and basically just record yourself talking about that topic. So if you've come up with a title like 5 easy ways to get more done in your business, then all you need to talk about are the 5 ways. Obviously, you need to outline what the 5 ways are first, so that'll give you a starting point. And so you know which way to go in terms of saying out your content, or if you're writing out your content. Now, with this audio recording, what you do then is to upload it to computer and then head to a website called rev.com. This is a website where you can get your audios transcribed into text. The cost for transcribing is basically $1 per minute. So if you have a 30-minute recording, that's $30. Now, obviously, you don't want to basically provide the raw text as a lead magnet to your subscribers. Format it in a way so that there's proper headings and subheadings. I like to use a simple tool like Google Docs to basically create my lead magnets that are in PDF format. You just simply put all your text, and then in the menu, you just save it as a PDF. Another way to create your content if you don't like writing is to basically outsource it to a writer. Now, the drawback with getting your content outsourced is that the writing might not sound like you. So what I usually like to do is to obviously provide an outline of what I want, and then let them know who the target audience is so that they know the language to speak, and what type of language and the level you want. Do you want sophisticated writing, or do you want something that's very easy to understand and that's in layman's terms, ensuring that you don't use any jargon and things like that? And that's usually how I go about it. All right, once you've created your lead magnet, it's time to distribute it. So how do you get it out in the web? It's as simple as uploading your lead magnet into a cloud service such as Google Drive or Dropbox, because these services are generally free, and all you need is to basically upload the PDF document or videos, and you're provided with a share link that you can basically provide to those who subscribe to your email list. Now, in terms of creating a landing page to actually feature your lead magnet and to build an opt-in form, if you are interested in that, feel free to let me know in the comments field so that perhaps I can create a part 2 of this. The quickest way of getting a landing page out there is to use a tool like Lead Pages. Lead Pages does come with a cost of about $30, $40 a month, but if it means that it's going to save you time and the frustration of trying to learn how to create your own opt-in page and landing page, then this is well worth it. It is so easy to use, and they actually offer you a list of templates based around highest converting, and then you can use that template for your own lead magnet. And everything is self-hosted, which means that you don't actually need web hosting to have your landing page out there. They provide all that, and all you need is the URL that they provide for you at the end. And obviously you need your email marketing platform such as Aweber or GetResponse, and you just basically integrate it together using their basic steps, and you'll get your landing page out there as soon as today. But again, if you want a thorough tutorial on how to actually create a landing page from scratch using something like WordPress, then feel free to let me know in the comments field, and I'll be sure to create another part for this list building sort of series that I'm kind of starting. So that's it. Those are the 5 steps to creating your very first lead magnet so that you can finally start building a list of subscribers. As always, hit that like button if you found any of this video content helpful, and be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that you'll be alerted of any new videos I post on this channel.